Welcome to my channel. Scientists spent 157 years disproving a non-existent demon. This demon once nearly shook entire physics edifice. It does not eat people or harm anyone. It only stands by a door to sort molecules. It lets fast ones pass, and keeps slow ones behind. This simple act alone can invalidate all physical laws across universe. This is Maxwell's demon. Maxwell proposed this thought experiment in 1867. It shocked entire physics community. If this demon works in reality, ice can boil into water with zero energy input. Cars can run without fuel. Life can even reverse from aging back to youth. This would directly break core rules of thermodynamics. It would collapse entire thermodynamics system completely. Generations of scientists devoted all efforts to prove this demon cannot exist. IBM scientists finally found the answer in 1961. This conclusion is more mind-blowing than the demon itself. To understand this century-long debate, we first need to grasp core laws of thermodynamics. German scientist Clausius put forward a key statement in 1850. Heat cannot spontaneously transfer from cold object to hot object. It only happens with external energy cost. This is the second law of thermodynamics. This rule sounds plain and ordinary. Mix cold water and hot water together. They end up as 2 cups of warm water. They never turn into 1 cup of ice and 1 cup of boiling water on their own. But this natural phenomenon hides deepest operating rules of universe. Physicists use entropy to describe chaos level of a system. More chaos means higher entropy. Second, law of thermodynamics tells us entropy only increases spontaneously in closed system. It never decreases. An untended room only gets messier. It only becomes tidy with active cleaning. Universe has no external organizer. It only grows more chaotic. It finally reaches heat death and falls into total silence. Even Maxwell himself doubted this conclusion. He came up with a wild idea in 1867. Imagine a box full of gas. A partition splits it into left and right halves. A small hinged door sits on the partition. A tiny demon stands by the door. It can tell exact speed of every gas molecule. When fast molecule flies from left to door, it opens door quickly to let molecule enter right side. When slow molecule flies from right to door, it opens door to let molecule enter left side. After repeated operations, 2 sides with same original temperature develop temperature difference gradually. Right side gathers all fast molecules and grows hotter. Left side only has slow molecules and grows colder. What makes it trickier is this process seems to consume zero energy. Demon only observes molecules and opens or closes door. Door comes with spring mechanism. Elastic potential energy stored when door opens releases fully when door closes. No extra energy loss happens during whole process. This is an absolute theoretical disaster. If this idea works, humans can build heat engine with temperature difference. Heat flows spontaneously from cold to hot, while doing external work. This creates a perpetual motion machine of the second kind. It is more revolutionary than first kind perpetual motion machine that creates energy out of nothing. It means entropy can decrease spontaneously. Time can flow backwards. Cooled coffee can boil again. Broken cup can reassemble itself. Old people can grow black hair again. All phenomena against common sense can become real. This thought experiment directly shakes foundation of thermodynamics. Starting from 1867, generations of scientists deduced repeatedly to find flaws of this demon, but the logic of it seems flawless. People say it violates conservation of energy. It can argue it consumes no energy and only opens and closes door. People say it does external work. It can point out spring mechanism keeps energy conserved all the time. People say it reduces entropy. It can reply it only rearranges molecules. Hungarian physicist Szilard first raised doubt in 1929. He believed demon must consume energy when measuring molecule speed. Measurement requires interaction with target object. This process inevitably causes energy loss and entropy increase. This statement was once seen as the solution. But follow-up research proved Szilard took wrong direction. Measurement itself does not necessarily cause system entropy increase. Physicist Brillouin went further in 1951. He claimed every measurement causes entropy increase. There exists a lower limit of entropy increase. Measurement cannot work below this limit. Many scientists thought puzzle was solved back then. But follow-up research overturned this conclusion again. Measurement itself does not change entropy of an object. Real flaw of Maxwell's demon remained unfound. Real answer finally came out in 1961. IBM physicist Rolf Landauer proposed groundbreaking Landauer principle. He pointed out core problem lies not in measurement, but in information erasure. Daemon needs memory to store molecule speed information for sorting work. It uses this information to decide whether to open door. But Daemon has limited storage space. It cannot record information infinitely. It must clear memory and delete old data regularly to keep working. Landauer proved information erasure comes with inevitable energy cost. Erasing one bit of information releases at least kT amount of heat. K stands for Boltzmann constant. T stands for thermodynamic temperature. At room temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, erasing one bit of information consumes at least 0.0175 electron volts of energy. This tiny number is enough to completely resolve Maxwell's Daemon paradox. Entropy decrease from Daemon sorting molecules is fully offset by entropy increase from memory erasure. Maxwell's Daemon can indeed make one side of box hotter and the other colder, but it must pay costs of information erasure. Total entropy of whole closed system does not decrease. Second law of thermodynamics still holds. More important significance of this discovery is it first directly links information with physical world. Information is never an abstract concept. It is a real physical existence. Processing information necessarily consumes energy. This is fundamental law of universe. Charles Bennett, also an IBM researcher, further improved this theory in 1982. He clearly stated Maxwell's Daemon will eventually run out of storage space. It has to delete previously collected information. Information erasure is an irreversible thermodynamic process. It definitely increases total entropy of system. Bennett's work completely ruled out possibility of Maxwell's Daemon violating thermodynamic laws, in theory. Theory needs experimental verification after all. Research team from multiple European universities completed a breakthrough experiment in 2012. They successfully measured tiny heat released when erasing single bit of information. The value matches prediction of Landauer principle perfectly. This is first time humans verified physical cost of information erasure in lab. Maxwell's Daemon was finally completely disproved in both theory and experiment. But scientists did not stop their exploration here. Since real Maxwell's Daemon cannot exist, humans started to build systems with similar functions. Various Maxwell's Daemon-like experimental devices emerged one after another. After entering 21st century, researchers built a Maxwell's Daemon-like system with light-powered gates in 2007. Japanese physicists published paper in Nature in 2010. They simulated Szilard engine with nanoscale beads. German scientists built Maxwell's Daemon experimental setup with quantum dots in 2013. US team rearranged randomly placed atoms into ordered atomic blocks in 2018. They created quantum version of Maxwell's Daemon. These devices achieve similar sorting effect, but none of them violate second law of thermodynamics. They either need continuous external energy input or generate more entropy, increase in other parts of system. They are essentially delicate designs for local entropy reduction. They are not real beings that can break physical rules. Foundation of second law of thermodynamics remains unshakable. Century-long story of Maxwell's Daemon contains profound physical and philosophical insights. It tells us some laws in universe cannot be violated. Entropy increase is irreversible trend. Time only flows forward. Chaos always grows spontaneously. We can achieve local entropy reduction. We can tidy up rooms and keep life in order. But we must pay corresponding cost. It can be energy consumption or information processing. There is never free order in world. More far-reaching significance lies in this 1.5 century debate. It let humans truly understand physical nature of information. It breaks boundary between information science and thermodynamics. It also lays important foundation for future computing science and quantum physics research.